winter we have all sorts of problems to deal with. Cold weather, damp weather, and if we're working inside, it's always difficult to work in good light. We can overcome that problem by using tripods and lamps and various different types of lighting. However, you don't seem to be able to get an all-round bright light. Well, never used to be able to until now. I was talking to a decorator the other day, and he mentioned corn lights that he'd been using. I've never heard of corn lights, didn't know what they were. So, as you do nowadays, went on the internet, had a Google, and found them, and they look quite good. So I thought I'd buy one, and ended up with this. It's an LED bulb, but it has LEDs all the way around it. So it gives you a light all the way around the room rather than just in one direction. So we've got an ordinary bulb in now. Let's plug this in and see if it makes much of a difference. Okay, so we've taken the old bulb out. Let's see if this one makes a difference. Yes, I'm saying yes. Definitely makes a big improvement. So if you're struggling for light, it's well worth investing in one of these. I'll put the link down below, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like what we do. Thanks a lot.